Prized for its reputation of providing age-defying beauty benefits, for centuries royal herbalists have relied on golden root to help renew and maintain the beauty of their empresses. Today, the scientists at WayEast have transformed this power into WayEast Golden Root Renewal Restoration Wear. Skin renewal promotes the replacement of dead skin cells by fresh ones at the skin surface, making the surface appear smoother and more hydrated, helping even out skin tone and appear firmer and more resilient, giving your skin a younger and healthier appearance. Activating Restoration Wear's serum with the Golden Root Renewal Pad and applying it morning and night helps refresh the appearance of your complexion, restore radiance, and reduce the appearance of aging by helping skin look better. Renew your beauty. WayEast Golden Root Renewal.